Astrology as a guide to understanding ancestral karma. Can you please explore how astrology can be used to uncover and understand ancestral karma?
Yo, ngiyithanda kanjani leyo topic ngoba iyaye ithinte into ebucayi kithi as black people.
Yes.
Your spirit somehow iyakutshela, but we are not so well vested in listening to our inner self because sesijwayele ufuna ukuya eTikTok someone akutshele ayivalidate, ufuna ukugugula so that someone can say i-right or i-wrong. As long as umuntu angakathi iyo indlela leyo uyihambayo wena uhila ngama-crystals uyaye uyigxeke or ucabanga ukuthi akusiyiyo kanti cha yiyo eyakho indlela. You are here to heal but not necessarily because first of all mayingabe nje awukaze ube namaphayiphayi awukaze ube in a trance uzoyidoubt indaba yokuthi vele you are a healer. Indaba ye-astrology chef imnandi kakhulu. Why? Astrology chef ikwazi ukukutshela ukuthi njengoba uwuchef nje ngalesikhathi uvele ngaso, here are the occupations suitable for you. Here is what you would touch ngezandla zakho and it will flow. Here is what la don't try to be a singer chef. Angeke nje ilunge. And then khona la izokutshela khona ukuthi there are other aspects ama-qualities. You are here to learn patience. You are here to learn love. Uyibuza ukuthi how I'm here to learn love. Why do I have parents that are not loving? It's a test you put yourself. I-contract yakho uma ufika la uthe mina ngicela abazali abangenathando ngizo-cultivate uthando ngizophasa le exam yokuthi I can come from a background engenathando but I can be very loving.
Wow.
Mawufaka i-birthday yakho ufake nesikhathi uvele ngaso. The depth of astrology ikwazi ukuthi icacisele ukuthi wena ubaba wakho la evela khona uvela kwi-lineage yamakhosi, i-lineage ye-priesthood, i-lineage yama-wise men. Umama wakho uvela kwi-lineage yabantu ababephatha umuthi, abantu ababelapha ngezwi nangokumixa amakhambi. So wena uyi-concoction yalama energy. You are here to do what they didn't do. Ubaba wakho uhambe wayosebenza eplazini laka Jan van Riebeeck wangayenza lento beka ipurpose yakhe. Therefore seyishiye ini lento le ikhama khona indawo befaneka ayithintile empilweni yabantu abathize bekafaneka abalaphe akazange afinyelele.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. Your host, Chef Patanani Mbata. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting episode of Munchies and Thoughts. I am so excited, it's a new season 16 with me, Chef Patanani Mbata. And of course, I'm not alone, I have my friend here, Sawubona Dan.
Thokoza Khehla.
Are we Thokoza?
Hayi singathokozisa.
Yeah.
Remember singabantu abamnyama, we are proudly South African. Radumedisa,
Yes.
rathokozisa.
Yes.
Just anyhow sifila ukuthi is comfortably as expressing.
Wow, I love that. Ngoba kubalekile kakhulu ukuthi sizazi and senze izinto ezizosijabulisa ezizohlala kahle kunathi. Anyway, please introduce yourself. Who are you? Where are you from? What's special about you? And if you want to leave your numbers, because you'll never know after the episode, you are more than welcome to do that.
Dumelang, sanibonani emakhaya, Kiputwano, those who know me. Kemakhosi naphukutwe mahlangu. I'm an astrologer. Ke ithutile astrology tseleng ya ka ya moya. I help heal people. Also ke ba thuse to discover themselves and their purpose mo bophelong. And ke yona tsela e ke iphumaneng ke kgona ho fola ka yona and also heal others because you don't heal something you don't know. So most of the times the things we go through sizelana to come heal others abafana nathi. So mina ngitholakala e-spirit mode ngihamba kanye nobaba Mahlangu yena uyi-healer ne-mentor in his own respect. Nami ngihamba nge-astrology and numerology. sitholakala ku 061 063 9793.
Can you repeat the number?
061 063 9793. Ungasendela iWhatsApp and ask anything, sizokwazi ukukulekelela ngesiphiwo sakho and many other directions pertaining who you are or your life purpose.
I love it when you said when because we are talking about astrology.
Yes.
That's what we will be talking about today. And of course, I have questions that I will be asking, but you will be educating. Just educate the Munchies. What is astrology? Okay. Someone who don't have an idea, someone who don't have a knowledge about, like me, I don't know, but I know the name.
Yes.
Can you just tell us,
okay,
give us an overview?
Overview, or a simple way yokubeka astrology is the energies or ama celestial bodies, the way ahlangana ngakhona ngalesikhathi uvela ngaso. When you are born, the position and the movement of the stars mayihlangana ahlangana aclasha sometimes, or ehlangana ayenza something beautiful about you and your character. Wow. So every small aspect of your character, nokuthi amehlo akho ashapeke kanjani, ukuthi skin sakho siqine kanjani, si soft kanjani, it's that concoction of energies during your birth.
Wow.
Injalo nje. I-astrology, it's so deep, chef, ngoba i-astrology ikwazi ukuthi ikubheke ukuthi ngalesikhathi uvele ngaso uMars bekame kanjani noVenus mabehlangana bayenza ukuthi wena makufika endabeni zothando, ngoba iVenus it governs love and relationships, and then mayime mhlambe in conjunction neMars. iMars is about power, passion, fire. Mazihlangana, yabona i-concoction yalento lenthola ukuthi wena kuma relationships nje you are explosive, you are romantic, you are passionate, uyabona, but there's always nje the challenge of it and the strength of it. So depending ukuthi zime kanjani ngalesikhathi wena uvela, they can be a challenge in your character, or they can be a very beautiful aspect of your character. Enza ukuthi sonke masiqala nje si relate nawe sithi yo uChef is so loving. It's because of lama planets ngalesikhathi uvela mawahlangana ayenza a mixture enhle in you, or a mixture ebuqayi in you.
So it depends. It can be beautiful, it can be ugly.
Yes. It can have ama extremities, it can have ama aspect amanye are beautiful. So astrology iyaye ibe nama aspects ngizothi kunama conjunctions, which means maybe two planets are meeting under the same energy ngesikhathi esodwa, and it's a positive energy. And then kube nenye esibiza i-sextile, nayo it's a strong and beautiful arrangement of the energies, nayo iyenza ukuthi kube kuhle, an aspect ethize ye-energy yakho ibe yinhle. But then sibe nama-squares. I-square is a difficult one. I-square mayi-difficult, chef, yenza ukuthi unga-understand ukuthi why manginabantu basheshe bangibhorekele, or kube ngathi nginesichitho, uzibuza ukuthi hawu yini lento le, kanti cha, there's something about your character mayisebantwini iba too much, awukho aware of it, bese faneke uwazi ukuthi okay, mangiphakathi kwabantu I must not outshine people, or mina ngiyakhuluma nje kakhulu,
that's
and
me.
I never give people a chance, you know.
I love it la mawuthi you outshine people, or when we are kuluma kakhulu, but sometimes we don't know. I once had a situation where I was scared to go to some places because I take over.
Chef, ngicela to just enlighten you.
Yes.
You and I, we are both Taurus.
No, I'm an Aries now.
Oh, Aries.
May was 5 years celebration of Munchies and Thoughts.
Oh,
yes.
Okay,
yes.
Okay. My mistake.
It's fine.
March.
New March, yes.
So abantu baga March, they are passion driven. They are fiery. Vele umaza ngisho is a planet of
Yes,
fire.
yes.
So yonke into eniyenzayo nifaka i-action, nifaka
Yes,
yabona umlilo
yes.
kuyo. Kanti there are places la fanele kubheke ukuthi hey okay lana afanelanga ngiye kakhulu, fanele uzigauge. U-understand ukuthi remember not everyone understands themselves. So wena mawufika uzazi ene ulana nje ukhuluma you being yourself nje ufana nami nje uhleke yonke into, other people they tend to go back into their shells ukuthi lona sekazo yonke limelight uzothatha sonke space, you know. So sometimes we should be able to read the room ubheke ukuthi okay. So I think ama-character nje afana nami now faneke sibofika kuqala sibheke i-room
Sibheke.
bese understand the people that are there. Give yourself time to study people and sort of like give each person what they like so that babe comfortable now.
Yes, Makosi, honestly speaking, you just ukhuluma nami manje, and that's why I'm even having it here because ukhuluma nami and lento lena bese kuneyindawo engasafuni ukuya kuzo.
Yes.
Sometimes mangimenywa, I'll think twice. Because ngizoya and ngizobuya la kungasemnandi.
Sure.
Ngoba ngizobe senginyathele abantu amakhona. And the not ngibanyathela purposely.
Yes. Sometimes chef uzikhulumela ngawe. You are, and that's the thing. Usuke ukhuluma ngawe ama-achievements wakho or ama-challenges wakho.
Yes, yes.
But then nje it would come across as if you are overfeeding people who you are. Like why esezofika exoxe njalo about themselves. Nami benginayo leyo nkinga kube ngathi I'm giving away ukuthi i-background yami injani. Mama usongathi no but iwayini elinjena alipherwa nalokho kuthiwe yo why
Miss Know It All, darling. Thank you so much. I hope you are still with us, and thank you so much for joining me, Makosi. I really appreciate you guys. You know, when I'm inviting you guys, you never shy or saying, "Oh, chef, you are always available." Now I'm asking you a question. Astrology as a guide to understanding ancestral karma. Can you please explore how astrology can be used to uncover and understand ancestral karma?
Yo ngiyithanda kanjani leyo topic ngoba iyaye ithinte into ebucayi kithi as black people.
Yes.
I-astrology ke chef ngoba isebenza ngama numbers.
Yes.
Mawufaka i-birth date yakho ufake nesikhathi uvele ngaso. The depth of i-astrology ikwazi ukuthi icacisele ukuthi wena ubaba wakho la evela khona uvela kwi-lineage yamakhosi, i-lineage ye-priesthood, i-lineage yama-wise men. Umama wakho uvela kwi-lineage yabantu ababephatha umuthi, abantu ababelapha ngezwi nangokumixa amakhambi. So wena uyi-concoction yalama-energy. You are here to do what they didn't do. Ubaba wakho uhambe wayosebenza eplazini laka Jan van Riebeeck wangayenza lento beka i-purpose yakhe. Therefore seyishiye ini lento le ikhama khona indawo befaneka ithintile empilweni yabantu abathize bekafaneka balaphe akazange afinyelele. Umama naye wahamba wayosebenza emakhishini wakoroba instead of being a midwife, instead of nurturing other women, instead of alaphe abantwana afundise ukuthi siyilapha kanjani lento yabantwana le equmayo lana inyoka. Umama akakwenzanga lokho, sekuwela ngakuwena. Mayiwela ngakuwena chef uzithola nawe usesikolweni uyitshela ukuthi I'm going to be a lawyer. You studisha and be somewhere along the way impilo ithi no uthi mawuthi yo check kuthiwe you are called. Usubizwa from the council of abantu abadala ukuthi abazali bakho kukhona into ethile they were supposed to fulfill abasayifulfillanga. So sayiwela ngakuwena or ugogo kukhona into ayithile wafihla ukuthi ube nengane ngakakhumalo hayi la kwaphukutshwa. So lengane leyanto leyana yenza ama conflict. That's why efamily nicabanga ukuthi niyaxabana kanti kukhona into efaneke wena uyigeze yakagogo nanoma ungeke utshele wonke umuntu but ugogo uyakuvezela ukuthi hey mntanami umkhulu wakho ushone eyazi uSibusiso kuyingane yala ekhaya kanti uSibusiso ingane yala kaKhumalo so ngizocela wena ungihlanzelele lihlazo wenze nje umgijana nje omncane uhlambulule lesimo ukuze ngikwazi nami ukukhululeka kwelamathonga nayo uSibusiso akwazi ukukhululeka naye ahlangane namadlozi wakaKhumalo cause nawo ayamblessa but abakwazi ukumblessa kahle ngoba akazi ukuthi uKhumalo ucabanga ukuthi uphukuju so yonke lento le astrology yakwazi ukukuthinta chef ikwazi ukuguide ukuthi kwawe iyinhlolo in a way iyakwazi ukukuhlolela iastrology ukuthi la uvela khona yini eshodayo mhlambe ongathi maso uyilungisile bese iyenza ukuthi impilo yala ekhaya ibe ngcono or eyakho impilo iye phambili.
Wow. Makhosi mawuthi iastrology uyinhlolo ungabe iyafana nenhlolo esijwayele or ihlukene mhlawumbe ungangicacisela lapho nama viewers laba sibekile ukuthi okay siyalizwa igama lithi astrology and siyamuzwa Makhosi uthi inhlolo kungabe inhlolo ezikanjani like ngifuna ukuthi uchaze ngithi kuneyinhlolo zamathambo zekhanda le astrology inhlolo ekanjani I just want you to tell them
inhlolo yama numbers.
That's okay, that's what I want.
Inhlolo yama numbers iyaye isho angisho manje our creators bebekwazi ukusebenzisa ama numbers even also celestial bodies. Remember before the creation of the clock our ancestors knew how to look at the sun and realize which no it's midday now. Abanye they were so advanced they could say it's 1:15. That's how advanced they were because bekuyiyo iclock yabo. Say they knew ukuthi they knew ukuthi ilanga maselihamba la noma when the moon seyiweyine kangaka or iyehle kangaka or ikhule kangaka isikhathi sokwenza certain rituals isikhathi sokuthi ugunde chef and then inwele zakho zingakhuli masinyane you would know ukuthi you check nge-lunar clock yakho ucheck imoon ukuthi ikuphi uyazi ukuthi mawushefa ngalelo langa ya uzophinda ushefe 2 weeks later but washefa namhlanje kusasa le inwele zizokhula futhi because ushefe ngelanga eli-wrong eliphana nge-energy yokukhula.
Wow.
Yabo kanti wena ufuna zikhule masinyane ufuna zikhule slow ngoba ziyadina but mawufuna zikhule fast uyenza ritual ngelanga elinje.
Wow. Wow. Indigo children and their connections to ancestral wisdom. What can you say about that? Can you please delve in that and just educate us?
Ngicela uyiphinde futhi chef.
Indigo children and their connection to ancestral wisdom.
Oh, okay. Ama indigo children chef ne. Labantu suke bavela sebanayo le knowledge. And remember chef chef nje are you aware ukuthi DNA yakho or RNA yakho in every piece of maybe the not even 11th ancestral lineage yakho all your cells unomkhulu wakho chef wa 11 years
11
million ago. So indigo children ngalesikhathi bevela nabo leyanto iba heightened yokuthi babe connected to celestial bodies and the ancestral charges.
Okay.
So mabavela bona leyanto ngathi ilethwa it's charged more than any other normal person ozele something else bona ngoba bazele this part particularly yokuthi baba awaken they heal they soothe bayenza ukuthi ama feelings wabo or their empathetic side ibe so close ukuthi bakwazi phela umuntu ukwazi ukulapha maye kwazi ukuyibona or eyazi lento ekuphethe uyayibona so nabo ama indigo children ekuveleni kwabo bavela nale intuition yokuwazi ukuthi what's wrong emzimbeni womuntu heightened naturally their DNA comes with it nako seku heightened seku ready ukuthi kusebenze uyayibona. That's why bezokwazi ukuthi mayehleli nawe athi I can feel ukuthi uphuphe kabi or unamaphupha akuhluphayo. Can we pray about it, or can we fix the energy? Can we balance it? Let's fetch ama crystals sizobalansa i-energy yakho ngoba i-stuck. Bayakwazi ukukutshela ukuthi i-stuck la noma i-stuck la or la. So let's fetch something, or let's do something ezokwazi ukuthi ikhulule le energy iyenze kahle, ungasabi nenkinga yepain emqolo, irepain enhlizweni or emaphashini, because they know how to release the energies and balance it.
Wow. Okay. Then ancestral calling in the modern era, balancing tradition and contemporary life. What I want, can you just give me challenges and opportunities on what I just put on the table?
Okay. Ama-challenges.
And you're not doing it for me, you're doing it for the manches.
Ama-challenges we ancestral calling, chef, maning. Because the ancestral calling, sonke sivuleka amehlo, kuyinto ehamba kakhulu ngobungoma. Uyayibona? Manje sicabanga ukuthi sonke fanele sidlule lapha ya. Because sihlakanipha, chef, I mean, we are just born. Uvela uwazi gini babahamba enkonzweni eMethodist eSabatha eRoma. Ukhulela kulento le ongima ukhula usowuqala ukuzibhekela nawe ukuthi man impilo ithini. That's when your eyes are opened to other things. So nendaba yo ancestral calling nayo siyazi under this cap yobungoma. So ama challenges wayo ukuthi ngalesikhathi uqala ukuba neinkinga uthi uyoyicheka ne mawufika kuthiwe you have a gift but I can't help you. You are a self-initiate. I don't know this thing. And I come to you as a chef, as someone who is well known ukuthi lento le uyayilapha udila ngayo. The minute ungipha le title yokuthi ngiyi self-initiate or mina ngihamba ngesporo fit, nami ngithatha leyo nto because remember ngixakekile. So uchef as someone who is a bit ahead of me in terms of lezinto, mayaqala edefine ngiyayithatha nami ngithi uchef uthe ngiyi self initiate. You understand? Awukaze uhamba uyoyigubha kahle ukuthi kahle ishutini, yabo. And then nalapho sifise ukuthi siyilaphe ngale ndlela le. Ubone ukuthi nanoma soyilaphile chef man, khona into yabona, khona into engathintekanga kahle. Lapho ke, that's when we say you must go into yourself. Nayo leyo, it's a challenge because ayina manual efanayo chef. When you go inside yourself, izinto eziwu-chef inside of you, izinto zama ancestors akho inside of you, yizo zizophakama. So your manual might not be my manual.
Makosi, this is touching. I think that's why we are facing a lot of kids wearing a mabai, wearing a mabit, wearing ipika, and not doing the job that they are called for, but it's only the uniform that they're wearing.
Angisho manje chef, nami ngicela nje ukuthi ngithi when my calling came up, ngivezelwe amabai. When my calling came up, ngibonile iphika. But when I was inside it, senginazi iphika, senginawo amabai, ngazithola ngisalahlekile, ngaka understand. But the minute I sit alone, chef, ngithi ngiyathandaza, ngiyakhuleka, ngithi ngifunda something, the one thing my spirit leads me toward astrology. Your spirit somehow iyakutshela, but we are not so well vested in listening to our inner self because sesijwayele ufuna ukuya eTikTok, someone akutshele ayivalidate, ufuna ukugugula so that someone can say i-right or i-wrong. As long as umuntu angakathi iyo indlela leyo uyihambayo wena uhila ngama crystals, uyaye uyigxeke or ucabanga ukuthi akusiyiyo, kanti cha iyo eyakhe indlela. You are here to heal, but not necessarily because First of all, mayingabe nje awukaze ube namaphayipayi, awukaze ube in a trance, uzoyidoubt indaba yokuthi vele you are a healer. Ngicela
I love
ukuxoxela.
that. Yes.
Ngike ngatshelwa ukuthi asoze ngivuke ngilaphe umuntu. By 3 famous healers. Okay, let's not allow indaba chef lento lena ingithinta la
No,
kuba
just go.
khona.
This is healing. As a healer, you'll understand. As much as you're not mentioning them, but say it. Take whatever that is in it. This is your episode. I am here to listen, and the munchies as well. Because we are being discouraged every day, every hour.
Chef, calling as in my friends will tell you ukuthi friend uke wahlanya.
Yeah.
Uke waba nala bese sibona ukuthi awukho right. Chef, ngaleso sikhathi ngiyahamba with my last money, my last coin in the bank. Ngiyangena sengihambile so uye KZN uyafika. Usitshela ukuthi lo muntu lona ureputable, uyasazi istory sakhe. Chef, wangihlahluba 2 minutes. Wathi nje uhlahlu uhambile bathini? Ngathi hayi bathini nabantu abadala. Athi hayi waphonsa amathambo. Wathi yabona ngihamba nomamami. Wena salukazi geza isalukazi sizophakama kuwe kahle. Wayiphinda kayi3 leyo nto mayiceda wathi injalo nje. Sabuyela sesiyogeza uma ngemali futhi eningi. Ngikhumbula si struggle for that 3 years chef usifunana no 10,000 to make sure this whole thing izokwenzeka ukuthi umamami ageze so that leli dlozi liphakame kahle kimi. You understand, chef? I understand.
I'm just emotional now.
Nami.
Yeah.
Ngihamba nomamami sesiphethe yonke into ngapha umamami yimi ngiyagula umntwana wami uyagula. Siyahamba lendlela. Sithole nomunye chefi wasemaputo. Athi you'll never heal people wena. But akuna substantiation. Akuna chef nothing. Always 3 athi nje umamami aqale kuye athi unabantu abadala ngibona liri ngibona diphika ngibona umamami next week asemina ngibona diphika yonke lento ayisho kumamami sekayisho kimi. And then next week my daughter avuvuke inyawo siye lapha ya repetition now.
Wow.
To my daughter.
Wow.
Ngapha chef, it goes without saying. Uzaba ne accident imoto kube I write off. Uxoshwe endlini koloti banki. La uhlala khona uthulele ishe indlu. But hayi umlilo wedlozi. Yabona, talk about challenges zedlozi. Hayi ngicela siziyekeni.
Wow, my munchies, I hope you are still with us. Yeah, isn't this just you see, sometimes I'll be doing an episode, I'll be touched, and intense is because lento ngitshela wona nginokuzizwa kuma emails wami, kuma DM wami, abantu bengitshela besho and kubhlungu. But anyway, are you fine?
Yes, right.
Lovely.
Right.
Traditional medicine, healing ancestral karma and spiritual imbalances. The role of traditional medicine in healing ancestral karma, depression, spiritual imbalances, and restoring harmony within lineage. What can you say? I think it's what you just narrated your story now. I'm coming with this now.
I'm just overwhelmed by the world of knowledge. Traditional medicine can do. Chef, traditional medicines work. Sinento ekuthiwa i-HPV. Ileyanto ekuthiwa i-STI leyana ekwi-level leyana ayilapheki. ikuveza amathumbanyana ama-mushroom nyana on your genital areas nje ilonda lana apparently ayilapheki. Traditional medicines iyayilapha i-HPV. Sinama cases umuntu athi sengibuya for a check-up third time after 16 years of suffering from i-HPV. Kuthiwa ngiclear, ngilaphekile. It's just that ingulonyana snacks cause it's a sexually transmitted disease or impurity. So people don't like ukuvela baxoxe ngayo. But ama testimonies. So traditional medicines bakwethu is pure sethu. It's like ama minerals wethu nama resources abuya kumveli inqanga abuya kuNkulunkulu. Usiphe wona eyazi ukuthi ayasebenza. Lezo zinto lezo chef zisebenza from the smallest things like ukulapha ingane eceda ukuvela njena kukhishwe ukungcola to the biggest things zamadlozi like you said ukuthi how do they imithi lapha kanjani idlozi iyalapha chef in a way yokuthi uzofika namhlanje sike safikelwa ingane ebayihayiza kwathiwa saloku ihayize from ekseni esikolweni yafika ibanjwe ngetaxi saloku ihayiza kabhlungu yafika lengane mase sifike sayifaka impengu sayifaka ebhavini laphakama idlozi la gogo lakhuluma lathi yo bese kukudala ngilimala yikho ngilimaza umntwana. All I needed was leli bhavu. I-energy chef into enkulu kakhulu. Now I'll just go back a bit to i-energy yama planets ethu ukuthi they power kufana nokuthi unama plug ahlukile. I-plug kaMars eye power, energy, fire. I-plug kaVenus eyothando kanjalo nama zodiac nawo anikezana ngama powers athile. So as a human being unalama powers onke wa all the 12 planets. They are all active at the same time. But khona ezinye eziba more active nezinye faneke ziyehliswe kunezinye ezilow faneke zikhushulwe kube nani nebalance echaracterni yomuntu nasedlozini lakhe yayibona ideep kakhulu. So impengu is also part of it ngoba kuneimpengu ezikhula emini ebaziyo ukuthi makusemini sifuna ukuactivate into ethile emuntwini sizoyisebenzisa. Kunempengu exosha ispoki empilweni yakho sisixosha ebusuku siyuza impengu ethize also when the sun is setting. So uyabona ukuthi i-energy yayo yonke into niyakwazi ukuthi niphere so that i-ritual oyenzayo ibe nepower because uma wenza i-ritual yokuxosha into and uyixosha ilanga lenzani lihamba ngapha nemuni nayo it's becoming smaller. You are saying nina mazulu amakhulu you can, with your energy eyokunciphisa nami nginciphisa lengulo or nginciphisa lento ethile engilimazayo.
Wow. So Makhosi, like you did say astrology, like your thoughts, do you think most healers understand astrology?
Kakhulu.
Okay.
Chef.
And you know why I'm asking this question? I'm asking this question, do you think most healers understand astrology? I'm asking this because I feel like some kids, they will be diagnosed for something abangasiyo bayeke lento abayiyo because they don't understand. It's just me. I just want to hear your thoughts on that one.
Okay. Ngizocela lana ngi exercise I-power yokuthi ngithi ngicela ukubahlonipha. Can I not talk on their behalf ukuthi bayayazi noma bayazi?
Not a problem.
Kodwa ke mina ngithi ke indaba ye-astrology chef imnandi kakhulu. Why? Astrology chef ikwazi ukukutshela ukuthi njengoba uwuchef nje ngalesikhathi uvele ngaso, here are the occupations suitable for you. Here is what you would touch ngezandla zakho and it will flow. Here is what don't try be a singer chef. Angeke nje ilunge. And then khona la izokutshela khona ukuthi there are other aspects, qualities. You are here to learn patience. You are here to learn love. Uyibuza ukuthi how I'm here to learn love. Why do I have parents that are not loving? It's a test you put yourself. I-contract yakho uma ufika la uthe mina ngicela abazali abangenathando ngizo-cultivate uthando, ngizophasa le exam yokuthi I can come from a background engenathando, but I can be very loving.
Wow.
As humans, we are here for that. The F school, sonke, we are here to come and learn ukuthi in that difficulty, we can overcome. We can turn around all painful circumstances into positive ones.
Wow, that's profound. Thank you so much. Astrological insight into the lives of Indigo children. What can you say about that? Basically, analyze how astrology can offer deep insights into the life path of Indigo children, helping them understand their spiritual purpose.
Iya enlighten kakhulu astrology in terms of abantwana, because now asikhulumeni iqiniso, we are not all well vested kwinto ze-tradition zesintu. And abantwana bethu, remember, bakhulela kuma-multiracials, of which i-tradition ayisekho yiningi. So uthola ukuthi le ngane it can heal. Angazi uyasazi istory sakaMatilda yini, a 6-year-old who had very uncaring parents. So lo mntwana abazali bakhe, umama wakhe edlala ibingo, ubaba wakhe eyikhadila eqola abantu.
Babies
abazali, umntwana na 6 years, umntwana athatha incwadi afunde angakaze afundiswe ukufunda. Lo mntwana athi mayehleli eyedwa, maye angry, amove ibhodlela nge-energy yakhe ngamehlo, athi amove into, abeke isandla kanje ikomishile imove. Chef, can you believe ukuthi sonke sinayo le yanto? It's just that I cultivate one. And it can come in different levels. Eyomunye izoba heightened, eyomunye fana nomuntu ongabona emehlweni. Ukwazi ukuthi amanye ama-senses abone ukudlula thina esibona ngeso lenyama. Uyayibona? So i-astrology isiza abantwana laba abavelayo manje ngani. Indaba le ingasiqindezeli kakhulu nge-tradition, ukuthi ma ungayazi into traditionally, so ufila ngathi awazi lutho udom. You are a healer, but you can heal with just your energy. Uyakwazi ukuyidirector. Ukwazi ukuthi ithi nginyathele phansi, draw from the earth's energy, ingene kimi, light all the chakras, ize ifike kimi, ngikwazi ukubamba uphathanani lana, uphathanani mangithi ngikwazi uku-unblocka le blockage ekuyena lana aphole. So i-astrology iyakwazi ukusigayida ukuthi there's many modalities of healing bakwethu. They are not just limited to tradition. So izosiza labantwana kakhulu i-astrology ngoba ikwazi ukupinpointa exactly ukuthi you are a psychologist, you are a musician, you can sing abantu baphole ngezwi lakho. You know, it's so broad. I-astrology ikwazi ukukunikeza to the minutest detail of your character ukuthi you are here to be a healer. Mina especially iyasho ukuthi ngiyahila ngeyimpengu, though meaning I can create oils, I can create, you know, from anything and everything. My hands have that magic of turning a simple a herb into something miraculous because ngiyiphiwe leyanto.
My munchies and thoughts from it. I hope Nisenati enjoying. I'm just loving this conversation. Like I always say I'm a healer.
Njalo.
And I'm not a sangoma, but I am a healer.
Because
I know how I heal. It was difficult,
yes.
but now I know exactly.
Yes.
I know exactly what, okay, this is my specialty. I'm big here. I can do this. I can up to, I know it. It was difficult. And the sad part is just that healing, it can take you away from people. But anyway.
It does.
My munchies, I am still an author of this beautiful book called On My Own, I Have Found Sunshine. I want to say thank you so much to each and everyone who purchased the book. My book is doing very well.
Yes.
And something big is coming, and I can't wait to share it with my munchies.
Can't wait.
And darlings, I'm busy writing, and soon I will be launching my second book. Marcos, this is the last one. Yeah, you can't tell us it like unless you don't come back, because then do they want Makosi back or not? Anyway, reconnecting with ancestral wisdom through traditional medicine. Explore how traditional medicine serves as a bridge to reconnect with ancestral wisdom. What can you say about that? You did say that we are cool. You even made an example near PVH.
Yes, HPV.
HPV, yes.
Yazi chef ne into yethu abantu abamnyama imnandi kanjani. It's so blessed. Amanga amabi. Yazi kunomuthi chef obizwa Dlozikhulu.
Dlozikhulu.
Ne?
Dlozikhulu.
Dlozikhulu.
Okay.
Kuthiwe hayi hlanganisa la. Kuthiwe hlanganisa umadlozana. Chef, only black people can have such a definite meaning of a plant. Makunodlozikhulu kunomadlozana. We understand? Well, you understand?
Yeah.
So konke kunama qualities. Icabange lento le ukuthi maso uthole ubaba omdala owazi impengu kahle chef athi nangu madlozana uwenza u1 no2 no3 nangu Dlozikhulu uwenza u1 no2 no3, because we could have said konke man kuhlanganisa
yonke into iyawasha it's like negwemu.
But uthole umuntu owaziyo umuntu, hence uyayizwe esizulwini iyakwazi ukuhlukanisela ukuthi akusinto eyodwa le. So kokubili kukwazi ukuphakamisa into ezihlukile. It knows how to empower different qualities kuwe la. Remember unayo lento la, it's part of, uyadla ubanana ngisho chef, ubanana loyana becomes part of your cells. Umuthi na umawukhiwe lapha yana umuthi, kodwa umzimba wakho converts loya muthi to cells that are going to mend your skin when you are healed. So that plant is part of you now.
Wow.
So coming back again to ukuthi I bridge lena imendwa kanjani between ancestors and the medicine. Siyinto eyodwa. Even we all have energy. uNkulunkulu usicreate kanjalo. Iplant ine energy yayo. Iplant ukwazi ukuthi mayisase fresh ingakakhishwa lapha phansi, ine energy evibrate ngendlela thizeni. Mase idryiwe activate something else, say change chemical composition. Kanti umzimba ke, it's the biggest, most wonderful creation yakaNkulunkulu, because umzimba can conduct anything and everything.
Thank you. We can't finish. Word of wisdom. We are closing the show now. Word of wisdom. We spoke about so many things. You educated me. But your word of wisdom. Closing the show now.
My word of wisdom is, we are all at the earth school to come heal something. Others are not healers. Others are here to experience senses. Baz experience umgruvo, baz experience ama taste buds, ba phuze ama wine, ba enjoy Dubai, ba enzeni. Others, we are here. We have mastered that in the previous lifetime. Sibu enjoyile logo. We are here to help others. Siba enlighten. Now, enlightenment bakwethu. Remember, ayisozilingane asozifane. Khona umuntu oqala ukuhlangana nale information namhlanje izoba wow. khona umuntu osekudala adlule kule information. To them it's like, oh Makhosi, that's nothing new. But we are here to I'm here to heal those who are starting, while Ushef Patanani is here to be at the cosmic level. So sonke sihamba indlela eyodwa of enlightenment. Abanye basase ku step 1, abanye baku step 100. Asihloniphaneni, sithandaneni, si-understand ukuthi akekho ngcono kunomunye. Ngoba chef uhamba your path, you excel your path. Allow me to excel my path. Ukuthi ngikude kweyami ngisaqala, that's just how it is.
Wow.
Love and respect sizofika kude njengabantu.
Asithandaneni, asihloniphaneni. Allow me ukuhamba endleleni yami ngizofika
Injalo.
ekugcineni lapho kumele ngifike khona. On that note, it's a wrap and thank you so much. Goodbye, my manches. Thank you so much, darling. It's a cheers.
Once again, thank you.